Hey guys, Min here. So today I am going to check out a brand new desk lamp. The reason is because I can never have enough desk lamp. As my eyes are getting worse, I need to see more light. So I have a current desk lamp here. That's an LED desk lamp. That's working okay. I had to change a power supply a while back, but other than that, it works okay. But our friends over at DioFgt sent us this little dual desk lamp. This thing's supposed to be two lamp in one because they have two blades and so on. So we'll check it out. So let's get started. All right, so I will start by unboxing this desk lamp. I just got it from Amazon, so let's open it up, see what's outside. Well, it says that it's flicker free, which is good, and it has a USB charger, 5 color temperature adjustment, and vivid lights. Fantastic. On the back, it's well, on the back it doesn't tell me which one it is, but it is 800 lux, and there is different variety of color temperature, which is cool because I really like warm light, but occasionally when I want something, I like it to be bright white. And it states that there's a longevity of 30,000 hours, which to me is forever. I wonder how many days or how many years is 30,000? I'll put the answer here. And it has a USB output as well. Wow, that's pretty cool. Use a PD adapter for good quality cables. Okay, and keep it away from water. Great. So let's open this sucker up, shall we? And okay, so there is a instruction manual. Basically tell you the different components. And there's a 30 to 60 minute timer as well. Wow, that's kind of cool. Okay, a USB charger, USB-A. I wonder how many watts it is. Let me take a look. It's a 3 amp power supply. So actually I could plug it into my pop-up charger over there. Oh wow. Okay, so I don't need any construction. So it comes with a USB-C, huh? USB-A to USB-C cable. That's cool. And that's it. Okay, so there's no constructions or just putting things together necessary. It's all put together already. And just remove the junk here, and that's it. Wow. Okay. And there's wings. Look at that. Wings. Okay, so let's plug this sucker up. Look at this. I am going to use my pop-up charger here, and if you want to learn more about my pop-up charger, take a look at the video here. Anyway, let me plug this sucker in, and let's plug this in here. Oh, so in the back there are two ports. There's a USB-A and USB-C port. So I think the USB-C is for power, and USB-A is for something else that you can charge with. So let me grab another USB-A cable. All right, so I got my USB-A cable that I can actually plug into the back. And let's see here. Ah, it's charging. Cool. All right, so let's check this sucker out. Okay, so this is on. All right, so that's bright white light. And oh, different light color. So it cycles through the different white light color. So let me help by turning down the light a little bit. So Alexa, turn off lights. Okay, so I've turned off all my lights. So let's turn on this sucker and see what happens. Boom! Okay, this is bright white light. I don't know if you can see this, okay? So this is bright white light. It's pretty bright. So I could hit the mode button and it would cycle through different colors. And this is really warm light right now. And this is super warm. And back to bright color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it goes from white to really warm. So 5 levels. Okay, let me turn on the lights. This thing, there's a USB-A port on the back which you can use to charge the phone. I think there's also a wireless, but I don't see how I can charge this. Star optional function. Does this one not have the wireless charging? Oh. After looking over this, and there is, in the instruction manual, there is one little asterisk on there. So it looks like this particular model, there are 2 models, and the one I got does not include the wireless charging feature. So it looks identical, except this one doesn't have the wireless charging icon, and I tried multiple times with both of my AirPod Pro and also my iPhone. It does not charge, but it does have a USB-A port in the back which you can charge. So when you purchase this, make sure you purchase the right one with the wireless charger on there, because it looks like, you know, everything looks like there's wireless charging, but this one does not. So silly me. Okay, that's important to read the instructions, huh? So this lamp is actually pretty cool. It looks just like any other LED lamp. However, there are some special things about this particular lamp. First of all, there are 5 different settings of light colors that you can scroll through really quickly by pushing the mode button. And secondly, there are 2 timer buttons that you can set on either, I think it's 30 seconds and 30 minutes and 60 minutes timer. So it'll automatically shut off by pushing the stopwatch icon here. And of course, there's something that's pretty cool that you can actually use. Instead of just a little lamp, you can actually stretch it out by opening it up, and now it becomes like a laptop lamp where you can actually give you that light from the top, a wide angle light. That's pretty cool. Other than the confusing thing about the label saying that, hey, there's wireless charging, but it actually doesn't have wireless charging in this model, that's a little bit confusing. Other than that, this is a pretty straightforward light. I can plug it into any USB port to start to light it, and yeah, I'm gonna use it. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.